Unannounced school intruder audits began this week across Texas. It's the latest step in boosting school security in the wake of the Uvalde school shooting. The Texas School Safety Center says its team will conduct an intruder audit on at least 75% of all Texas schools by the end of the school year. Brian New takes a look at how districts plan to keep kids safe.
Securing doors has long been the focus of school safety. But after what happened in Uvalde,
he came straight through the door with no problem.
After hearing testimony on how the gunman walked through an unlocked door,
it was unlocked, he walked straight through it.
That focus across the state intensified.
It is a huge piece when it comes to creating time barriers, and we know that time barriers save lives.
So this summer, Texas schools were ordered to check every exterior door.
See, this is a no-go.
At every campus.
It needs to shut on its own.
During the school year, schools are also required to do weekly checks. Many districts told us they plan to do them daily or even more.
What we've decided is 4 times a day, and so our high schools are doing it twice before lunch, twice after lunch. Our elementaries are doing the same thing.
But state officials say they want to leave nothing to chance. So to ensure schools are indeed securing exterior doors, starting Monday, schools will be put to the test.
And that's where the intruder detections come into place, is we're going and we're assessing access control measures to make sure that what we've asked them to do this summer has been accomplished.
Kathy Martinez-Prather is the director of the Texas School Safety Center. Her team at Texas State University in San Marcos is in charge of conducting unannounced intruder audits on Texas schools. The audits are fairly simple. Trained inspectors who will be unarmed and in plain clothes will be going around the state to schools trying to get inside, in most cases by simply seeing if a door is propped open or left unlocked.
We will not be simulating an intrusion, and that's important to note. We're not going to have individuals that are posing as threat actors trying to forcefully and aggressively enter a campus. That is not what's going to be happening.
Districts and local law enforcement will be notified the month of the inspections, but Martinez-Prather says the day and campus will be unannounced. The idea is for schools to be ready every single day.
What we're trying to do is prepare schools to minimize as much loss to life as possible, and in the best case scenario, prevent it completely.